Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the best way to restore a TPO roof. So we're not talking about 100% tear off and recovery at all. We're talking about one that's already in place, maybe it's at the end of its warranty, and how to restore it and keep it going without doing the complete tear off. It's just a waste of money, waste of labor, not cost effective. So I want to talk about the best way to restore a TPO roof today. And really the best way is to install a elastomeric coating over the TPO roof. They come in urethane, silicone, and acrylic. There's some roof prep that goes on, getting rid of the wet insulation and replacing it, doing some adhesion tests, but really just putting that super thick, super engineered paint, kind of the coating over that roof, and gives you a new warranty, gives you some reflectivity, and you can keep going on without doing the complete tear off. But there is a problem. There is some strict eligibility with coating systems. So the seams can't be apart, can't be super old where like the membrane is deteriorating real bad. There's lots of wet insulation, like 25% is usually the benchmark. If it's more than 25% saturated, you might want to lean towards a tear off. If it's under, definitely want to restore it. And then routine maintenance. If the roof's been neglected, chances are, there's leaves that are blocking the drains and there's ponding water everywhere, and simple repairs that could have been done have been, left alone, and water's been going in the same hole for the last 3 years. So if that's the case, probably won't be eligible for a coating system, but there's other options for sure. Really the first question is, what's the best way to restore a TPO roof in good shape? Like I said, so the seams are in good order, not a lot of wet insulation. It's definitely the coating system. There's minor preparation that goes into that. You put the coating on, 20 to 30 mils of thickness. There's some seam reinforcements. I think in the blog post, there's a link of it below. It goes into each step on how a coating system is properly installed over a TPO roof, but in basic terms, getting all the wet out, cleaning the roof, make sure the coating adheres correctly, and then doing 2 coats of coating, and getting it, have a third party come look at it and make sure it's the right thickness, and you get a warranty, and that's it. You can avoid the complete tear off. But what's the best way to restore a TPO roof that's in bad shape? This one I would lean towards the spray foam roofing solution. The roof's like, there's half the roof has wet insulation, the seams are apart, the TPO roof is just no good anymore. You want to rip all that TPO roof off, or if you don't have to do that, you can put a cover board over the TPO roof, fasten it to the TPO, and then spray foam over the cover board. Cover board's pretty inexpensive. We know the spray foam, it adheres good to TPO, but not great, but it really has tenacious adhesion, like really good attachment to a cover board. So you might want to go that route, and there's plenty of benefits with a spray foam roof that a TPO roof doesn't have, such as it's seamless, no seams, no fasteners, high R value, easy to install around penetrations. It's renewable. You can get however long of a warranty, 10 to 20 year warranty on it, etc. So if it's not in the best shape, definitely look towards the spray foam route. Like again, in the blog post, there's definitely the step-by-step on how to properly install a spray foam roof over an old TPO roof that's not in good shape. And that's really it today. I hope you learned at least one thing new today. Like I said, to learn more, the blog post in the description. And I hope you took away one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Goodbye.